Hello students and welcome to the next lesson of Python 0 to Hero series. So again it's time for a practice exercise. Today I would be explaining you an exercise which is based on input, print, data types, strings and conditions. For today I would explain you the entire exercise, what you are supposed to do. You are going to practice it on your own till tomorrow, and in the next video I would be sharing the entire solution and explanation of this. So let's get started. So this exercise is about profile creator. The objective is that you are going to take some user input for personal details and will provide a customized feedback or a customized message. So this will help you in taking input output, some string methods and conditional statements. So the first step is that you will ask the user to enter their full name, age, favorite hobby and favorite color. Then in the second step, you will use string methods to capitalize the name properly. That is, the first letter of the first name and the first letter of the last name should be capital. Then you will print a friendly greeting message using the user's name like Hi XYZ or Hi Rohan Verma or Hi Shah Rukh Khan or Hi Narendra Modi. Then you will analyze the age. That is, you will check if the age is a valid number. So using the if else, you will check if the age is between, 4 to 110 or 120, because we can't expect anyone to be using this program who is lesser than 4 or 5 years or who is more than 110 or 120 years. So you need to check if the age is within a valid range. And then based on the age, if the user is below 13 years old, print some customized message for a child. If he is between 13 to 19, print a message for teenagers. And if he is between 20 and 64, print a message for adults. And also you can print a special message for the seniors who are above 64. Then you will process hobby and colors. You will use some string methods to analyze the hobby and colors, and you will create some personalized messages like if the hobby is painting and if the color is blue, you will print a separate message. If the hobby is sports and if the color is red, you will print an energetic message. And you can use your creativity to come up with more combinations. Then you will output the profile, that you will print a summary of the user's profile, including name, age, hobby, and favorite color. You will include some personalized messages from the previous steps, or you can try your own creativity and create an entire profile for him. Test this program for different inputs to make sure it handles various scenarios, it works for valid ages, and the string and the hobbies and the colors are being printed properly. Keep your code organized and have fun with it. So work on this exercise and I'll see you tomorrow with a complete explanation and solution. Till then, keep practicing. Happy coding.